I just want to follow up that last video I did on this madness happening behind me here with this big Sitka spruce and this western hemlock. If you want to learn more about what's going on here, check out the last video I did. But I wanted to talk about complexities that form in healthy, mature, old-growth forest ecosystems when they're allowed to live and evolve over hundreds and thousands of years. So here we've got this old snag or a wildlife tree to a Sitka spruce tree, and you can see that western hemlock that I talked about in the last video was growing on it, creating this big mound, this big complex root structure here, and I've actually got a bit of a light on me. So we're gonna go check out the cavities that form in these root structures. You know, like check out how big this one is, really expansive. And then there's actually like another entrance to a section over here that's even bigger. And if you look in here, you can see there's actually, you can see where there's dark, wet soil and dry soil. So this stays pretty well insulated from the rain. And it's just this massive cavity that all sorts of wildlife could live in. It would make a great spot for a bear to den in if it wasn't right by a trail. But this type of complexity only forms when, you know, we have a lot of diversity of tree species at different ages and things are allowed to live and die and fall over and grow on each other. And this doesn't happen in young second growth plantation forests. We don't get the type of complexity here. So we need this type of diversity in order to allow for more diversity to grow and thrive and survive in this world that we all share. So it's just a really great example of how these intricate root structures grow and form. And gosh, it's freaking beautiful, isn't it? This whole scene here is just breathtaking.